At Mitotec, customer relationships are built on collaboration. Our team works closely with customers on many levels to understand application, timelines, and production challenges. Communication is direct and responsive, allowing issues to be addressed quickly and solutions implemented efficiently. By combining technical understanding with manufacturing experience, we help customers make informed decisions that improve performance, cost, and delivery. The goal is long-term partnership, not transactional manufacturing.